Okay, so this is what I did. As you can see, I have a bucket on the floor, and I put a paper towel to give it a place where it can drip and drain what's stuck in the bottom. Here, I have cleaned all the coils with a toothbrush. As clean as I think I can get them. Clean all the gunk off. If this doesn't, and I have the same system going on the back. I have a paper towel draining out the back of the drain where it comes out like this next to the coils, and it's coming down and it's dripping out, so let the back of it to clear the back of the water dripping out the back. And this is how I'm going to clear the water pulled up in the front. I'm thinking it's because it was clogged up, pretty gunked up. I wiped it back in there, and I took another paper towel and there's still some gross stuff back in there. I can see it. I need a new air conditioner. I think that's all that's to it. Yuck. Look at that. Cleaned up all the water that was back in there. Tried to. And then, we'll see. Anyway. It's hot. I'm burning up. So, to be continued. Right, Coco?